Let's talk about area. Area is the space covered by an object. It is usually measured in square units. So meaning to say, square centimeters, square meters, square inches, and so on. To get the area of this square, we will be counting the number of square units that it covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means the area of this square is 9 square units. Another example is this rectangle. We will be counting the number of square units it covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that means the area of this rectangle is 15 square units. Let's take a closer look at the dimensions of the rectangle. We can see that its length, highlighted in blue, is 5 units. Its breadth, highlighted in green, is 3 units. What do you notice about the relationship of the length and breadth to the area? We can see that length times the breadth of the rectangle will also give us the area, which is 15 square units. So another way of getting the area of a figure is by multiplying its dimensions. This only applies with squares and rectangles. Let's try it with this square. Since we know that a square has same length on all sides, we can just multiply its side times itself. So with that, we can say that the area of this square is 3 times 3, which is 9 square units. So once again, we can get the area by counting the square units or multiplying the dimensions if it's a square or a rectangle. Let's try more examples. For these kinds of figures, we will be counting square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the two half triangles will actually create 1 unit or 1 square unit. So let's label that with green highlight. And those two green triangles can form 1 square unit. So in this case, the total area of this figure is 7 plus 1, 8 square units. Let's try the figure on the right. So let's count full square units first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then the two half triangles highlighted in green can make 1 full square unit, and then the two triangles highlighted in red will also make 1 square unit. So in total, we have 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8 square units as well. Let's try other figures, this time a rectangle. Let's look at its dimensions. So this rectangle has 7 units for the length, highlighted in yellow, and 2 units for its breadth, highlighted in green. So to get the area, we will just multiply its length and breadth. 7 times 2 gives us 14, and 14 square units will be its area. Another example is this square. So the dimension would be 1, 2, 3, 4 units for the length of its side. And since we know that the square has all sides equal, we will just multiply 4 by itself. So 4 units times 4 units gives us 16 square units. So that's it for area of figures.